Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Today we're looking at a mind-bending new AI that can see any video not as a series of flat images, but as a full four-dimensional world. The project is called Trace Anything, and it's based on a fascinating concept the researchers call a trajectory field. Imagine that for every single pixel in every frame of a video, the AI could trace its exact 3D path through space over time. That complete map of every pixel's journey is the trajectory field. To accomplish this, they built the Trace Anything neural network. Unlike older methods that painstakingly build 3D scenes one frame at a time and then try to connect the dots, this model understands the entire video's motion all at once, in a single pass. It looks at all the frames and directly predicts a set of control points for each pixel, which define a smooth 3D curve representing that pixel's journey. A huge challenge was the lack of training data, so the team had to build their own scalable 4D data platform from the ground up. This platform can generate over 10,000 complex, photorealistic videos, all with perfect ground truth data on how every single pixel moves in 3D. And the results are extremely impressive. On their new benchmark, Trace Anything is not only more accurate than previous state-of-the-art methods, but it's also orders of magnitude faster, thanks to its one-pass design. But here's where it gets really interesting. This deep understanding of motion unlocks some surprising new skills. For example, it can perform motion forecasting, predicting where objects will move in the future simply by extending their current 3D trajectories. It can even take just a single before and after image and reconstruct the entire 3D motion that happened in between. Here you can see it figuring out the complex path of a robot arm and the objects it moves, just from the start and end photos. Incredibly, the model is so robust it can even work with an unstructured, completely unordered set of images from a scene. Even without knowing the correct sequence of events, it can still piece together the 3D structure and the motion of the objects within it. It can also be used for something called spatiotemporal fusion, which means it can take partial views of an object from different times and fuse them together into one complete, canonical model of that object. So, let's recap the important points. The core idea is a new 4D representation for video called trajectory fields, which maps the 3D path of every pixel over time. The Trace Anything model can predict these fields with incredible speed and accuracy, outperforming previous methods. This unlocks new abilities like motion forecasting and reconstruction from just a pair of images. What could this mean for the future? This technology could be a massive leap for robotics, giving machines a much deeper and more intuitive understanding of how the world moves. It could also enable revolutionary tools for video editing, special effects, and creating immersive augmented or virtual reality experiences from simple video clips. This is a truly powerful new way for computers to see and understand our dynamic world. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and we'll see you next time.